This is Joe, Big Joe's Outdoors. Thought I'd do a little bow fishing since I was up here picking up some stuff. Check out this monster. Yeah, his head, the back of his head, the front, and there he goes. Yeah, he tried to kill me. All right, fish, come on. Yeah, caught this nice sized gar. I don't know exactly how big he is. He's pushing 6 foot. I mean, he's longer than the tailgate, so that's close to that. I got a measuring thing in there, but yeah. That's what I've been catching today. Caught a smaller one that actually fits in the ice chest. He won't. So I'm going to have to deal with him. He's going right back to the water. He knows how to get there. Water's right there. All right, thanks for watching. And like, subscribe, and hopefully I can get a video out sometime with catching these suckers. But thanks for watching.